how can mothers tap into their inner strength and break free from societal expectations and pressure as they face both as a caregiver and as well as an individual human being they are?
Yeah, as I said, कि you can't change the society.
Hmm.
You have to change how you respond. तो 100% रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप जब लेते हो, कोई भी इमेजिन सिचुएशन, आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्स करते हो, उससे आपका आउटकम चेंज हो जाता है,
Yeah.
राइट? कोई भी इवेंट सेम ही रहेगी, बट आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्स करते हो सिचुएशन पे, दैट विल लीड टू योर आउटकम.
Yeah.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि ये बहुत ही सिंपल एग्जाम्पल देना चाहती हूँ कि दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, एक कार में बैठे हुए हैं और उनको एक वेडिंग में जाना है, ठीक है? लेकिन एज यू नो बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक, सो बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक में अटक गए हो. बाय 8 o'clock दे शुड रीच द डेस्टिनेशन,
Hmm.
बट वो निकले भी टाइम पे सब कुछ, लेकिन वो ट्रैफिक में 2 घंटे अटक गए. सो तो दोनों फ्रेंड का रिस्पॉन्स इज डिफरेंट डिफरेंट
Yeah.
हियर. या वन फ्रेंड इज, उन्होंने हेडफोन डाला और अपना म्यूजिक सुन रहे हैं, एंड दूसरे ने स्टार्ट कंप्लेनिंग एंड क्रेविंग, बैंगलोर का तो ट्रैफिक ही ऐसा है, इस देश का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. अब मैं क्या करूं, मैं लेट पहुंचूंगी, मैं कोई प्रोग्राम टाइम पे अटेंड नहीं कर पाऊंगी, संगीत निकल जाएगा, मेहंदी निकल जाएगी. सो सो व्हाट हैपेंड, आउटकम क्या होगा जब वो शादी में पहुंचेंगे? द फ्रेंड हु इज एंजॉइंग द म्यूजिक, वो बहुत काम और पीसफुल माइंड से जाएगी और जो भी इवेंट बचेंगे उसको एंजॉय करेगी, राइट? और ये जो क्रिबिंग और कंप्लेनिंग कर रही है, वो इतना इरिटेट हो चुकी है कि वो भी एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएगी, करेक्ट? तो आप, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर रिस्पॉन्स.
Absolutely. Yeah. Perfect.
आउटकम विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिस्पॉन्स.
Absolutely. Yeah. All right. Uh, one more question I have for you is, what can mother do when she feels torn between being a good mother
या
and being a true self to herself?
सो मैं अपने सेशन में मदर्स को ये बोलती हूँ कि वर्क मोर ऑन योर सेल्फ. If you work more on yourself, so automatically you have to work less on your child. अगर आप अपने आप पे काम करोगे ना, you will be more happy and be present with your kids. क्योंकि बच्चा ये नहीं सीखता कि जो आप बोलते हो, आप क्या हो, उससे सीखता है बच्चा,
Yeah. Yes.
राइट? Who you are.
Hmm. Hmm.
So first work on yourself.
Hmm.
यहाँ पे भी एक एग्जाम्पल है कि एक मदर जो अपने सेल्फ केयर पे ध्यान देती है, सेल्फ लव पे ध्यान देती है, जो ग्रोथ लर्निंग पे ध्यान दे रही है, उसका बच्चा उसे देख रहा है. शी इज मोर हैप्पी, पेशेंट विथ हर चाइल्ड, राइट? एंड वन मदर हु इज नॉट caring about her dream or always available 24 hours with her kids, but she got frustrated and irritated easily,
Yeah.
and she is correcting her child, always हर बात पे रोकना टोकना. She is available for 24 hours and she is not caring about herself. और क्या होता है, उनका जो ड्रीम फुलफिल नहीं हुआ होता है, वो उनके इनर ग्रोथ को हार्म करने लग जाता है.
Yes.
तो शी स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग लाइक दिस, कि हर छोटी छोटी बातों पे इरिटेट होना, फ्रस्ट्रेट होना. तो
Hmm.
मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता था. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस एग्जांपल. सो
Great,
इट्स
and I
वेरी
think
कॉमन. या
it's very common and it
या
happens with all of us, you know.
यस
And
यस
one of the things I've also seen with the parents and especially with mothers and fathers both, where they had some aspirations on their career or their dreams or their whatever they wanted to pursue. But you know what? When when the child comes into their life, they try
या
to pose everything on their kid, that he
यस
should become this, she should become this, she should do this. And it so happens that they are not even concerned to see whether that child is happy in doing what they are asking them to do.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली ट्रू.
So it so
या
happens with everybody, and I think that creates lot of pressure on kids as well these days.
Yeah, so that's why I'm telling the mother ki you have to work on yourself more,
Yeah.
less work on your child. If
Yes.
you will be happy and present, अगर एक वर्किंग मॉम है, वो 30 मिनट्स भी अगर क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड कर रही है, दैट विल बी बेटर दैन कि आप 24 आवर्स अवेलेबल हो एंड यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंट विथ योर किड्स.
Yeah, yes.
If you are every day spending only 30 minutes quality time without any judgment, without रोक टोक, you are listening to your child, वो बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करता है.
Absolutely, absolutely. Right. So, Sarita, we are going to have few quick rapid fire questions for you. Okay, and
Okay.
we really want you to answer them rapidly. So, the first question I have for you is one word to describe motherhood in 3 seconds.
Motherhood, enjoy your journey.
Awesome. Great. The next question is book or a podcast? What do you reach for the most?
Podcast.
Lovely. Your go to self care ritual when life gets totally mess.
My meditation and gratitude.
Awesome. One habit that has changed your life completely.
Gratitude and affirmation.
Awesome. So, Sarita, we know you as a life coach and you're helping people with so many modalities. What is that one thing that social media does not talk about you and you really like to do that?
Do that for mothers or
Do that for yourself. It could be
oh,
your passion, it could be your purpose, whatever it is, which is not seen on your social media.
yeah, I want to do it's related to coaching or for myself only.
It's for yourself, dear.
Okay. So my actually I want to create a place where I can help the less privileged children.
Hmm.
Yeah, I want to help that less privileged children where they can enjoy the amenities and everything which our children are enjoying. So I want to create that place for less privileged children.
All right,
Yeah.
super. So thank you for answering these rapid fire questions. We are still left with few more questions, and we want you to uh, share your insights on that. So the next
Sure.
question I have for you is, how do suppressed dreams and constant sacrifice affects a mother's mental and emotional health over the time, and how can she begin to reclaim her dreams back while maintaining her health as well?
Yeah, it's a very, very important question because it affects mental health nowadays. It's very important
Hmm.
because when you suppress your dream, जब आप उसके बारे में बात करना बंद कर देते हो, so it affects you got irritated, you got frustrated always. आपको वो पता ही नहीं चलता कब आपके मेंटल और इमोशनल हेल्थ को वो अफेक्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
Hmm.
मोस्ट ऑफ द मदर्स को अवेयरनेस ही नहीं होती. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज अवेयरनेस. सो क्या होता है जब आप इसके बारे में बात नहीं करते हो, जब फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं करती हो, तो आप बोलते हो ठीक है आज नहीं, मैं 2 साल बाद स्टार्ट कर लूंगी. बट इनसाइड यू स्टार्टेड फीलिंग दैट समथिंग इज मिसिंग. मैंने इतने साल अपने पढ़ाई पे लगाए हैं बट मैं उसका कुछ यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Hmm. Yeah.
एंड फॉर सम मदर्स इट डिफिकल्ट टू आस्क मनी ऑल्सो.
Yes, it's a big one.
It's a big one
Yeah.
because for me as well. So it's very difficult to ask money because I was independent earlier, financially independent, and now I have to ask for everything. It's not that my husband is not supportive. He's very supportive. He's ready to give. But it was me. So most of the mothers don't want to ask, hesitate to ask. सो ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें इकट्ठा होके आपके मेंटल हेल्थ को अफेक्ट करना स्टार्ट करती हैं.
Hmm.
एंड देन जब आपका बेबी होता है तो सारा गुस्सा, क्योंकि सारा गुस्सा वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके किसी तरीके से निकल रहा होता है. आप जल्दी से इरिटेट होने लग जाते हो छोटी छोटी बातों पे, छोटी छोटी बातों पे फ्रस्ट्रेट होने लग जाते हो और आपको पता नहीं चलता कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. आपको सब नॉर्मल लगता है.
Hmm.
राइट.
Yes.
फर्स्ट थिंग इज ऑल द मदर्स, मतलब वो सब देख रहे होते हैं चारों तरफ की सब मदर्स तो ऐसी ही हैं, तो मेरे साथ क्या अलग हो रहा है.
Yeah.
मेरे साथ भी वो भी नॉर्मल ही हो रहा है क्योंकि हमने अपने मदर्स को भी वैसे ही देखा है.
True.
नहीं
True.
पढ़ा है, लगाओ एक. नहीं, नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, फेल हो जाओगे, वो भी डांटती थी हमें. तो ये चीज हमें नॉर्मल लगता है. पहले तो ये नॉर्मलाइज का जो है फंडा उसको हमें ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा कि
True.
इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल.
Yeah.
It's something inside you.
Yes.
तो जब आप कोचिंग में या किसी की हेल्प लेते हो मेंटोर से, मुझे भी पहले नहीं पता होता था. व्हेन आई स्टार्ट टेकिंग दीज क्लासेस, देन आई गॉट टू नो कि इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल,
Yeah.
राइट? सो यू कांट डू इट ऑल थिंग्स अलोन.
Yes.
यू नीड सपोर्ट, अकाउंटेबिलिटी.
Yeah. True.
जब मैंने भी क्लासेस लेना स्टार्ट किया, देन आई गॉट टू नो कि नो, दिस इज नॉट नॉर्मल, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट.
Absolutely.
और आपका
Absolutely.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इरिटेशन कम होने लगता है जब आपको अवेयरनेस आती है.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Great. So when mothers reach out to you, okay, and what kind of hand-holding support do you provide? And could you share that what transformation or journey ahead looks like for them in your community? Is it more of one-on-one? Is it more of group coaching? And
Yeah,
how
yeah.
safe do they feel when they reach out to you?
Yeah, right now I have both group coaching and one-on-one. So in my silver membership, there's a group coaching.
Hmm.
So what we do is we have the certain framework. So there is a 5-step process. First is awareness, as I told you. You need to be aware about your emotion. You need to be clear on your why. Awareness, because lots of mothers are coming with the confusion. They don't
Hmm.
have clarity.
Yeah.
First step is clarity. So you need to be aware of your emotions. So first step is awareness. Then second step is your inner work.
Hmm.
So I am conducting a self-love morning club in which we are conducting some healing practices, EFT, Ho'oponopono, affirmation, gratitude, meditation, everything we are doing in that self-love club. So if you'll work on yourself, you have to less work on your child, right? And third is identity shift.
Hmm.
So you have to identity your limiting beliefs. What are your limiting beliefs? फिर उसको empowering belief में कैसे change करते हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं.
Hmm.
ये तो मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. ऐसी बहुत सारी टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स होते हैं जो हम सिखाते हैं.
Hmm.
Identity shift, and then it's accountability and take action.
Hmm.
The most important thing is take action.
Hmm.
क्योंकि आप आजकल के डिजिटल एरा में यूट्यूब पे सीख सकते हो, चैट जीपीटी पे इतने सारे इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल हैं. बट यूट्यूब और चैट जीपीटी विल नॉट आपको ये नहीं सिखा पाएगा कि इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करना है. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आप कब सीखते हो? जब आप किसी मेंटोर के पास जाते हो, कहीं से कोचिंग लेते हो और वो आपको फुल अकाउंटेबिलिटी देती है.
Hmm.
करेक्ट? क्योंकि आप अकेले सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. इट हैपेंड विथ मी एज वेल.
Yeah.
So I know the value of accountability and how to take action. So it's very important take support from a mentor.
Great. All right. And what is your mission for 2026?
Yeah, 2026 I want to create a community of 100 mothers
Hmm.
who want to restart their career but they don't know how to start. They don't have clarity, confidence and courage. So I want to start a community of 1,000 mothers in not in 2026 but in coming 2-3 years. I want to create a 1,000 mothers community so they will be emotionally and financially independent
Awesome.
and build
Awesome.
their confidence and
Love.
live a happy life. It's possible to have you both.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So before we wrap up this conversation, Sarita, what message would you like to give to the mother?
Yeah,
I
sure.
don't know where they are in their life right now, what's happening in their life. Maybe they feel self-broken. Maybe they are crying behind the closed doors, feeling like no one understands the battle she's fighting all inside. What is that one message from the core of your heart for all of such women out there?
Yeah, first of all, let me tell you that crying is not your weakness.
Hmm.
Crying means not your weakness. It's a signal to take 100% responsibility of your life.
Hmm.
Don't wait for others validation कि कोई आके आपकी life change कर देगा. You are the only one. You need to change your life. Start working on yourself. And if you want help, there are lots of coaches, lots of mentors available in the market.
Absolutely.
Just asking for help
Hmm.
and start taking 100% responsibility. और अपने ऊपर काम करिए, बिकॉज इफ यू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, तो उससे ना कि आपके बच्चे को फायदा होगा, आने वाली नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को भी बहुत फायदा होगा.
Absolutely.
Your children will say thank you to you if
Yeah,
you work on yourself and coming 2-3 generation.
absolutely. Absolutely.
So start working on yourself
Great.
and don't wait for others to change your life.
Yes, absolutely. And nobody's going to do that for you.
Yes.
Change comes only when you believe in change. Yeah.
Yeah, and believe in yourself.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right. So thank you so much, Sarita, for being here today, for sharing such a valuable insights with all of us. And of course, you shared our mission with the audience there. We wish you lots and lots of good luck, that you empower more and more women out there, and you build a community of first 100 women in 2026. Yeah.
Thank you so
So
much, Anuradha, for having me here. It was pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
lovely. Thank you. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my podcast and share it with your friends and family, one woman at a time. I'm on a mission to build a community of a thriving women. Thank you very much for taking your time to listening to this podcast, and I'll see you in the next show. Now go out there and do something that truly inspires you.